So here I am again with the Drake R4B trying to fix a noise blanker. I found this capacitor was disconnected right here, so I kind of wedged it back on there for now to see what happens. And that capacitor again is somebody took off this one right here. Or wait a minute, no, this one here. So this one got disconnected. It seems like this makes a little bit of improvement, but not much. So here, I have a really bad time at home with noise. So I thought this thing should make some kind of difference on noise blanker. Well, and here it is. So if I engage the noise blanker, and the iPhone, of course, isn't working too well here. Anyway, if I engage the noise blanker here, the S meter goes down a little bit, like it's blanking something, but it doesn't do much. So there's probably, this noise blanker is probably defective and somebody was trying to fix it. I don't know yet, but it doesn't work as advertised. I've seen noise blankers on R4Bs on the internet, on YouTube, and they work really, really well. So I think there's some more mystery here to be discovered. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.